So here we go. Have a little bit of a mess here because I was working on this. But here's my diving helmet. It's really coming along. I have been doing a lot of vigorous work on this. Let's see. Okay, so here it is. It's got a lot on the top. All of it has a purpose. Yeah, but so what I did was I painted it. I then added a lot of air systems into this. So what I have added so far. So, since the last time you've seen the update video of, the starting of the project. Since then, I've routed off the edges of the glass, the plexiglass. I've run the bolts completely through, and I have it all sealed up with, believe it or not, hot glue, because that's the easiest thing that I have, the most readily available. And I tried silicone. It doesn't bond very well with this plastic. Hot glue does. But here, you can see, I have my spit cock valve. If you guys don't know what that is, what this does is it's a valve on the side, so I can open it. Water comes into the top, goes inside of the helmet, and I can use that to spit on the screen to prevent fog. And then I haven't figured out an air hose plug for this yet. This is the air that's going to be supplied into the helmet. I've been kind of messing around with that, and then here's an air chuck. Okay, I'll start from the beginning. What I have right here is my air supply hose. This will bolt directly here. This is the pressure manifold that I have that distributes the pressure. And let me open up the air in the system. Okay. Now it's pressurized at about 26 psi. Now, it's going to be pressurized at way more, but so that's to monitor the pressure inside of the air system, and then this is to monitor the pressure inside of the helmet. It's more for looks, honestly, but the reason it's more for looks is because this goes to 500 psi, and I highly doubt that I'll ever be experiencing 500 psi. Pretty sure I'd die if I experienced 500 psi. But then what I do is this controls if the air can go through here, and this controls if the air can go through there. This is part of the pressure relief valve system. No, it's just a cover for it. It allows air through. What this does, it's a rapid pressure release, so I can run air into the system. Let's just open up the air system supply. And there's a valve here. I'm going to close that just for safety. Open it up to the system. And then, okay, now this line goes through here, over here, down, and back around because it's so long to here. So this air chuck controls the airflow going inside of the helmet. So the idea is I inhale air and I exhale it through a new exhaust valve that I'm going to make for my mouth. So I can put a mouthpiece in there and I can exhale through that. And what will happen is as I'm exhaling, the water level will increase because I'm intaking the air and exhaling outside of the helmet. Now, as I do that, the more air I need, I just use the pressure. And then can't exactly monitor the pressure through that, but whatever. And then this is the pressure release system. So let's say I just got everything done and I didn't end up using all the pressure. Instead of just running it out which I don't really see the point in, just to make things easier, I made it to the point, because this was already an implementation on the system, I just added this. Oh wait, I hope this is open. There we go. Yeah, I have to have that open to let the air come out. But yeah. Works pretty well. Not totally done yet. Still have quite a few things to do. I need to do a lot of sealing. I've gotten the rough area completely coated in hot glue, but I need to get it just completely done, completely situated. And then I bolted bolts through so that it holds in place. Painted it a kind of a gross looking yellow. Whatever. Screen has a few small leaks, but nothing too major, nothing that I can't fix. And then, so that is a decent update on this. I will check back with you guys when I actually do some serious pressure testing, and then I will do a complete video on the actual going underwater in it. Okay, guys, have a nice day.